look at what I did. So this section or zone of sprinklers quit working. It did it slowly. So first there was low pressure here and I couldn't figure out what was going on, so I replaced some sprinkler heads, and that didn't seem to fix the problem. And then the next year it became even worse, and then this year it just quit completely. Like this middle one barely has any water coming out of it. So I thought the problem was that the line got pinched by a root from this tree, and for some reason I thought that the line that comes into this zone goes under the sidewalk and down straight into my sprinklers box over there, and that's why you see this line here. So I rented a ditch digger and I made a ditch all the way through here, trench or whatever, to see if I can rip that line, and when I turn it on so the water comes out, it shows me where the line is, so I don't have to dig around trying to find it. But it wasn't anywhere here, couldn't find it. So then I decided to go over here and basically just follow this line, and I kept digging, following the line. As you can see, it does not go down the middle that way, it goes to the right for some reason, and way over there. So as I was digging through here trying to follow this line, as I was pulling it up, right around this area, I found that there was 3 lines going together, and the ditch digger actually ripped one of the other lines here. I think it was the main supply line to this sprinkler box. So I have to fix that. Anyway, I dug all the way to here, and I figured I'm going to test it here. So I got this new line hooked up all the way to this sprinkler box and all the way to here, and turned on the water, and we still have nothing here. So I'm almost at this line, but it's really not coming through. So my next idea is that once it comes into this line, the problem might be somewhere here. So my next project will be to dig this up, find where the line comes in, and test it here. But after a whole day of working over here and messing up my lawn, I found out that I didn't need to do any of it. But that was the only way to find out. So we'll see what happens over here. Okay, update on my war zone over here. So take a gander at that. This pipe is completely squished by this root from this tree. It goes under, through this pipe, comes out here, and created a nice life over here for its root. And it's completely choking out this hose or this pipe. So now I have to figure out a way how to get a new pipe under the sidewalk. All that just to find out that the problem is here. Do you guys see my face? Look at this. This is just the beginning. Okay, so I think I showed you this. I dug out this side, and we have this humongous root going under there, right into that pipe. And look what I am fighting with over here. This is insane. Insane insanity. So I need to clear all this out so then I can use a pipe with a hose to use water pressure to make a hole under the sidewalk. And that's the easy part. Why is there something trying to attack me? Anyway, so I have to fight with all these roots to dig a trench over here so I have room to put the long pipe in. Craziness. All done. And everything's working. This was not a fun project. I don't recommend it to anybody.